who take a front row seat. In fact, this pump storage capacity that we speak of, which is around 1680 megawatt, combined with a solar capacity of 3000 megawatt and a wind capacity of 550 megawatt, all put together with an investment of $3 billion, you're talking about this capacity of 5,230 megawatt coming up here. In fact, this would decarbonize the economies going forward. There are no limits to what can be produced through green energy. We're talking about green hydrogen, we're talking about green ammonia, we're talking about ArcelorMittal now coming up with green steel. And ArcelorMittal is also part of this endeavor, what is being built here, wherein they're taking around about 250 megawatt of firm power and around about 1000 megawatt of renewable energy is being created exclusively for that purpose to supply firm power of 250 megawatt in another state. So this would be a game changer in the days to come, and Andhra Pradesh state offers an exclusive opportunity for many of them who are interested in green power, who are interested in decarbonizing the economies. Our topography is such that we have a capacity of more than 33,000 megawatt available. So this is going to be one project which would be showing the light for this entire country how green power could be generated. And I wish Anil and his entire team all the very best. Not only have they conceived this, but actually they're showing it to the world that this can actually be developed. This can actually be done. This is something incredible. All my best wishes for the entire team, particularly Anil, for this grand endeavor. And any support from our end, from the state of Andhra Pradesh, we would be extending you all the support that you require, and we are available to you. Just keep that in mind. And our support will always be there. I wish you once again all the very best.